Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation. Students, today is our wind chime class, wind chime workbook class. Okay, as you all know, I completed chapter 1 of your wind chime workbook. Okay, so today I start chapter 2. Okay, so let's start. Chapter 2, The Sweet Smell. This chapter name is what? This chapter name is The Sweet Smell. Okay. Comprehension. Read this passage carefully and answer the question that follow. Okay. This chapter name is I Fly. What is the chapter name? This chapter name is I Fly. I fly aeroplanes for work. I am a pilot. Who flies aeroplane? Author flies aeroplane for a walk. He is a pilot. Why he flies aeroplane? He flies aeroplane because he is a pilot. Okay. Sometimes I take my little girl with me, and sometimes what happen? Sometimes he take his little girl with him. Okay. Her name is Tina. What is the name of her little girl? Her little girl name is Tina. Okay. Tina likes to look out of the window of the aeroplane. What does Tina like? Tina likes to look out of the window of the aeroplane. Okay, she likes to look out of the window of the aeroplane. She likes to look at the clouds. And what she likes to look? She likes to look at the clouds. Okay. She thinks the clouds look like animals. What she thinks? She thinks the cloud looks like animals. She points at one with her finger. She points what? She points with a finger. Okay. Next, she points at one with her finger. I see a giraffe, she says. What she says? She says, I see a giraffe. Okay. Tina and I play with aeroplane when I get home. And Tina and I play with what? Play with aeroplane when I get home. We also make sound like aeroplane. And we also make sound like aeroplane. Who says this? The author says this. He and his girl Tina Tina play with aeroplane when they are at home, and he also like sound like aeroplane. Okay. So once more I am explaining this chapter. This chapter name is I Fly. What is the name of this chapter? This chapter name is I Fly. ये chapter का नाम है I Fly, मतलब मैं उड़ता हूँ. ओके. I fly aeroplanes for work. इसमें के जो ऑथर है, ठीक है, जो ऑथर है, हाँ, एक ऑथर बोलते क्या हैं, जो कवि है, जो लिखे हुए हैं, ये जो पोएट है, ठीक है, जो ये लिखे हुए हैं, ठीक है, वो क्या बोलते हैं? आई फ्लाई एरोप्लेन फॉर वर्क. मैं एरोप्लेन चलाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं उसमें काम करता हूँ. आई एम ए पायलट. वो कौन है? वो एक पायलट है. ठीक है. समटाइम्स आई टेक माई लिटिल गर्ल विथ मी. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि मैं अपनी लिटिल गर्ल यानी छोटी बच्ची है, मेरी लड़की है, जिसे मैं अपने साथ लेकर के जाता हूँ. ठीक है. हर नेम इज़ टीना. उसका क्या नाम है? उसका नाम टीना है. टीना लाइक्स टू लुक आउट द विंडो ऑफ द एरोप्लेन. और टीना को क्या पसंद है? टीना को पसंद है, टीना लाइक्स टू लुक आउट द विंडो. वो विंडो को, एरोप्लेन के विंडो के बाहर देखना उसको बहुत पसंद है. किसको बहुत पसंद है? ऑथर की बेटी टीना को बहुत पसंद है. शी लाइक्स टू लुक एट दी क्लाउड्स. वो क्या देखती है? वो बादलों को देखती है बैठ करके. ठीक है. क्लाउड्स के बादलों को देखती है. शी थिंक्स द क्लाउड्स लुक लाइक एनिमल्स. और उसको क्या दिखता है? वो उसको क्लाउड जो है वो एक एनिमल्स की तरह दिखता है. शी पॉइंट्स एट वन विथ हर फिंगर. वो क्या अपने फिंगर से पॉइंट करती है, दिखाती है? वो ये दिखाती है कि आई सी अ जिराफ. उसने एक जिराफ को देखा है. शी सेज. वो बोलती है, टीना एंड आई प्ले विथ एरोप्लेन व्हेन आई गेट होम. टीना और मैं एरोप्लेन से खेलते हैं जब हम लोग घर में होते हैं. ठीक है. वी ऑल्सो मेक साउंड लाइक एन एरोप्लेन. और हम लोग एरोप्लेन की खेलते खेलते एरोप्लेन की तरह साउंड भी करते हैं घर. आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर समझ में आया है. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट आंसर द क्वेश्चन. हु इज टेलिंग द स्टोरी? द ऑथर इज टेलिंग द स्टोरी. ओके. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 2. टीना पेरेंट्स Tina points at something outside her window. What is it? So it is cloud. Okay. Number 3. What look like animals to Tina? What look like animals to Tina? Cloud is look like animals to Tina. Okay. When does she make sound like aeroplane? When she play with his father, she sound like an aeroplane at her home. Okay. Next, number 5. Right, the two people in the story are the author and his little girl Tina. Okay. Next. Okay, let's make new words with the vowel. These words, with the help of these words you made new words. Okay, with the help of vowel. Okay, it words, in words, ig words, id words, ip words, other words. Okay, like bit bit, fit fit, it. Okay, next in words, in fin fin, kin kin, pin pin, sin sin, tin tin, win win. ing words, big big, dig dig, fig fig, jig jig, pig pig, wig wig. id words, bid bid, did did, hid hid, kid kid, lid lead, rid read, dip deep, hip hip, lip lip, rip rip, sip sip, tip tip, bip beep, nip nip, and dip dip. Okay, I hope students you people ready. Okay, next, come here. Next, let's make word with I. One has done for you. Okay, number 1, bin, bin. Okay, b plus in is equal to bin, bin. Number 2, d plus in is equal to din, din. Okay, next, number 3, f plus in means fin, fin. Next, number 4, p plus in is equal to pin, pin. Okay, next, number 5, t plus in, teen is equal to tin, teen. Next, number 6, win, win, w plus in, so win, win. Okay, next, number 7, b plus it, beat, bit, beat. Next, number 8, k plus it, so people write what, kit, kit. Okay, next, number 9, p plus it, pit, pit. Next, number 10, b plus ib, bib, bib, bib. Okay, next, number 11, r plus ib, rib, rib. Next, number 12, sip, 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 sip. Okay, next, let's make new words with the vowel u. This you make a new words with the vowel what? With the vowel u. Okay, let's read the words. but, but. cut words, but but, cut cut, gut gut, hut hut, nut nut. ub words, cub cub, dub dub, hub hub, rub rub, tub tub. Next, bug bug, jug jug, mug mug, rug rug, dug dug. Next, un words, bun bun, fun fun, gun gun, sun sun, run run. Next, up words, up up, cup cup, pup pup. Next, us words, us us, bus bus, pus pus. Okay, so students, next, number b, make words with u sound. Okay, this one is what, student? This one is hurt, hut, hurt. Next, this one is what, student? This one is bun, bun, bun. This one is what, student? This one is bus, bus, bus. Next, this one is rug, rug, rug. Okay, next, jug, jug, jug. Next, sun, sun. Okay, I hope students all these things you people do in your own notebook and try to solve it by your own. Okay, this chapter I am discussing this chapter I fly with question answers and some important exercise also. Okay, from this chapter, one thing I am also explaining today, singular and plural. Singular when the words is one of the one of something, one someone, it is said to be it is singular. When there is more than one and something or someone, it is said to be plural. Okay, we add s or es to a naming word to make it plural. Okay, singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Okay, so cup cup, cups cups. Singular means one and plural means what? Plural means more than one. Okay, cup cup, cups, dog dog, dogs, sister, sister, sisters, sisters, shop, shops. Okay. Next, brush, brush, brushes, brushes, brushes. Dress, dress, dresses, dresses. Okay, dresses. Peach, 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 peaches, peaches, peaches. mango, mango, mangoes, mangoes. Okay. Once more I am explaining it. When there is one of something or someone, it is said to be in the singular. Okay. When there is saying anything, something or someone, okay, this is said to be singular. When there is more than one of something or someone, this is said to be plural. Okay. We add s or es to a what, to a naming word to make it plural. We add s or es to make it plural. Okay. And singular means one and plural means what, plural means more than one. Okay. Singular means something is telling about any one thing. Okay. And plural means something more than one. Okay. So cup, cups, dog, dogs, sister, sisters, shop, shops, brush, brushes, dress, dresses, peach, peaches, mango, mangoes. Okay. So students, I hope today you people enjoying this class chapter 2. Okay. And after that, all these things I'm also given in my worksheet in next class. Okay. I hope you people enjoying today class and trying to solve it in your own notebook. This is very interesting chapter, student. Okay. I hope you people enjoying today my class and you people try to solve it in your own notebook. Okay. So students, thank you to attend my class today.